video. Yeah, good video.
The Creek Fire was finally declared 100% contained on December 24th, 2020. It burned 379,895 acres, most of it in the Sierra National Forest.
saw the light dancing through the leaves on the sidewalk. And you, for a moment, realized how simple that is and how it's beautiful. Think of the moments.
I've seen it before. What was there? Oh, that one right there? Yeah. I'll go over there. I don't like
That's the turn. That's the turn.
Oh. Fucking Christ, dog.
Holy guacamole. Okay, that one was not my fault.
That was what the hell is he doing?
Holy.
If you need to, you can bring it to me and I can put it in the bag. Oh my God.
What?
That was a really horrific car accident.
Oh no!
I'm gonna get out and make sure the people in that car are okay. And I'm gonna call the police right now.
Oh no. I'm sad.
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay.
I'm really annoyed.
I'm calling 911.
Anywhere fans go to cheer on their team, there are behind-the-scenes MVPs ensuring everything is game day ready. We see you, Joe, fixing seats so every fan can enjoy every game. And Allie, who keeps her stadium running smoothly from the moment the first game starts to the last play of the season.
This one's pretty. So pink. I love it. On. Ooh. Off. Ah, and what's this? I can't hear.
So many buttons. Uh-oh.
Sorry. So, what are these buttons for? So comfy. I'm burning! Out! Oh no! Not me!
The sound is so powerful. And what's this? Yeah, this is fun. Yeah. Not my fault.
Time to try this beauty.
What? Simply the best. It's perfect. The engine is so powerful.
Oh, yummy. Oopsie.
The race is on.
What have you done? You ruined it. You'll have to pay for this car. Come with me. Cash your card. Good. Approved. Congrats on your purchase. They deserve it.
think I have a very good view.
小心埋下。喂！嚟啊！真係啊你，佢真係有搞錯啊！
So that I didn't have to look him in the eyes. For what it's worth, I'm a young East Asian female, and the fact that he was watching East Asian adult videos makes me feel even more embarrassed. Oh, one more thing I forgot to mention. According to him, he stayed back to fix the TV. Then Oki posted another update. My boyfriend's mother had a talk with the old man, and he claimed that he was simply fixing something on the TV.
Jesus Christ.
That's what she said she does.
Oh, I got that on video. Are you just gonna leave, or what are you gonna do?
We're getting on the way. We witnessed. Was that the tire or the engine?
I'll let you know that I agree with this recommendation as well, and that I notified the prosecutors that I would like for him to take that step. At 37, Buttigieg has so far succeeded in standing out from the...
Damn. Thought I was watching a NASCAR race.
It's been hell chopper bullets, it's an AK in my hand. These boys a bunch of different than a train. I got on the land. I said they bustin'. Are you know what I'm saying? But the these niggas thought that I was playing.
Oh my God.
Dude, you got so much